Welcome to Rumbie's table. I welcome you this week. It is a week where you can explore with me the different places I've been, but also to remind us all that life can be simple. I'm in a process where I think life should not be that complicated. I feel like throwing away that life book and just be. Secretly, I think I have been doing that. I just haven't said it to the public. Welcome to Rumbie's table, my table, your table. You are guaranteed a seat. Welcome. The lovely season starts with me going to the garden centre. I was about to forget that. It was just so lovely to walk around. I had a lovely meal before going out, and it was at a pub. I forgot the place. But look at all these lovely flowers. It inspires me to be out with nature, but most of all to see what is in season. I believe that any healing is within our environment and anywhere we are and at any time. It can be within nature, and also starting that process is a wonderful place to be. This is my happy place. Life can be difficult to grasp the concept of not being able to smell, feel, hear, or taste something. It is in that belief that it most likely does not exist. Anyone who knows me knows I love colours. Look at those colours, the vibrancy. I'm in love, but not with the pricing. Oh, wow. I just loved walking around the garden centre. That's been the favourite part of my week. Oh, and let's not forget the cake. I was invited to a secret sort of, what can I call it? A secret breakfast at a farm. More details will come, but there was beautiful food. Really enjoyed it. Absolutely brilliant company. And the colours that were displayed, and we were welcomed by the warmth of the fire. And I took a walk around the woods and the blossom. I love nature. It just makes me feel so calm. What a wonderful time to explore the blossom that is around us. It is spring, although the weather has been wet. It has not been as favourable for my walks, but I shall remember the memories made from last week. I enjoyed my time and the beautiful food and the colours of the flowers. It's beautiful. Wow. The video is a reminder that let us enjoy our environment and the colours within it all. I remind myself that I am in control of pointing out my own free will. At first, it may seem like I am just being a free spirit with nowhere to go. No, I do know where I would like to go, and that is where my joy is. So it is a reminder that as long as we are here, your environment is the best place to be. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic week. Dinotenda. Ngiyabonga. Please don't forget to subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos.